Jai Shri Ram. Namaskaram all. Here is the 2025 February festival dates. These days calculated as per USA Central America longitude and latitude. February 2nd, Vasanta Panchami. This day is very special for goddesses Saraswati Devi. Whoever wants to do Akshara Abhyasam for your child, this is the perfect day. And February 4th, Ratha Saptami. This day is very special for Lord Surya Narayana, Lord Surya Bhagavan. February 8th, Bhishma Ekadasi. February 10th, Thai Pusam. And Magha Purnima starts February 11th, 7:25 am, and Purnima ends February 12th, 7:53 am. February 15th, Sankatahara Chaturthi. February 23rd, Vijaya Ekadasi. And finally, February 25th, Mahashivaratri. Dear devotees, these are the major festivals in 2025 February. Namaskaram all. Jai Shri Ram.